Hey Michelle, quick video to show you your perpendicular starter here. This is your nose piece, and then we've got your back planks here. These are, here's your lap on the seam. You glue these to each other with CA glue, and I just like to go row by row. So I'll start with this side and glue that tight, pull tape here and finish that row, then move on to the next one, glue that one, go. And as far as the nose is concerned, there's that lap all the way across, and then I've included a cleat here that is marked for you to glue and screw it, like use a wood glue and then just some wood screws to make it structurally attached to the subfloor, and that'll give you a little bit of an overhang that you need to accommodate that lip. So any questions on that or anything, just go ahead and give me a call.